Do you have a tool that's been with you for so long it feels like part of the family? My stropping stick, simple and reliable, has kept my blades sharp for years. But after all that use, it's time to retire it. So I thought, why not just make a new one? The first thing we need is a flat piece of leather. Shoes are tricky because they're full of curves, stitching and reinforcements. To get the best piece, I started by cutting along the sole. This let me get a better angle on the upper material. Okay, before you try this yourself, don't go stealing your wife's, girlfriend or mom's shoe for this. It's just not worth the hassle, trust me on this one. This shoe, it was heading for the trash anyway, so I figured why not give it a second chance. Eventually I had a nice flat piece of leather to work with. It's not perfect, but it's part of the charm. This piece already has a story, and we're about to give it a new chapter. I marked out where I wanted the handle to go on a scrap piece of plywood. I just used the old stropping stick as a guide. I like that handle. It's comfortable and easy to grip, but also versatile enough to clamp down if I need both hands free while stropping. Once I had my measurements, I cut the pieces down to size. A handsaw and a cheap jigsaw gets the job done. Just follow the line. This part might seem tedious, but trust me, sanding is worth it. Rough edges can be uncomfortable to hold, and they just don't look good. So I grabbed some sandpaper and went to work. It's surprising how meditative sanding can be. And with every stroke, the wood became smoother, and by the end, it looked and felt pretty nice. Now for the most crucial part, gluing the leather onto the wood. I had this fast drying glue, so I had to be quick. Therefore, I decided to glue one end of the leather to the plywood first to make sure it lined up just right. Once that was done, I glued the rest, pressing it down firmly. After the glue dried, it was time to clean things up. I took a sharp knife and trimmed away the excess leather, carefully following the edge of the wood. And just like that, I had a brand new stropping stick. It's not just functional, it feels like it has a bit of soul. The leather with its scuffs and scratches carries the story of its past life, and now it's part of something new. Every time I use it, I'll be reminded of the effort that went into making it. This isn't just another tool, it's a little piece of creativity and craftsmanship that's going to stick with me for years to come. So if you got an old tool that's seen better days, or if you just want to try to make something, give it a shot. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. What matters is the pride you feel when it's done. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself with what you can create. Thank you for watching.